Enhancing work-life balance, setting and maintaining boundaries. Hello friends, I welcome you to my YouTube channel. The lines between our personal and professional lives are becoming increasingly blurred. With the widespread use of technology and many means of communication, we find ourselves connected to work colleagues, family, friends, and acquaintances. While these connections help us stay engaged, they also lead to the mixing of our personal and professional spheres and cause unnecessary intrusion and imbalance. It is, thus, essential to set and maintain clear distinctions between our personal and professional selves. Setting these boundaries enables us to preserve our energy, time, and overall well-being. In this video, I talk about what these boundaries are. I will also give you simple tips on how to set boundaries in your professional and personal relationships. So watch this video till the end to learn about all the steps. But before we start, I once again request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so that you can get updates when I post an interesting video. Let us start by understanding what these boundaries are. Boundaries are essentially a set of rules or norms that we define for ourselves. These rules dictate how we should engage with others and how we expect others to engage with us. They must be established based on our culture, values, beliefs, and personal standards. The aim is to make sure that our personal and emotional spaces are consistently honored. These boundaries can be of 5 types. Physical boundaries. These define the acceptable physical distance to be maintained while interacting. This ensures comfort and safety during face-to-face interactions. Emotional boundaries. These are about separating our emotions from others' emotions. While we need to be empathetic, we need to keep our personal feelings aside. Time boundaries. Limiting the time that we dedicate to various activities. We need to set aside time for sufficient rest, recreation, and self-care. Mental boundaries. Maintaining thoughts and opinions without undue external influence. Also respecting differing perspectives. Material boundaries. Setting rules for sharing personal belongings. Establishing clear rules regarding what we can share and what we can't share. Now the important question is, why do we need these boundaries? Boundaries play a crucial role in defining who you are and what you value. Here are some key benefits of setting and maintaining boundaries. Prevent burnout. Boundaries help prevent burnout by allowing us to say no when needed, protecting our energy and mental health. They ensure a healthy work-life balance by setting clear limits on workload and responsibilities. Foster respect. Boundaries teach others to understand and respect our limits, leading to healthier interactions. Effective communication of boundaries fosters mutual respect and understanding. Enhance self-worth. Boundaries show that we value ourselves and are willing to protect our well-being, reinforcing self-worth and self-respect. Improve productivity. Boundaries limit distractions, help us stay focused, and work efficiently. This enhances productivity and drives achieving goals. Now I give you a few tips for setting boundaries in your professional relationships. Before that, I request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribed viewer get regular updates on new videos. Define work hours. Establish clear work hours and communicate them to colleagues. This prevents work from encroaching on personal time and helps maintain a healthy work-life balance. Delegate tasks. Delegate tasks to manage workload effectively and empower colleagues. This helps focus on core responsibilities and prevents becoming overwhelmed. Commit wisely. Be realistic about commitments to avoid overextending. Decline extra tasks if already stretched thin to manage workload better. Set clear expectations. Clearly communicate roles, responsibilities, and limitations to the team to avoid unnecessary expectations and disappointments. Take breaks. Schedule short breaks to recharge and prevent burnout. Also, encourage your teams to take breaks for improved performance and well-being. Personal time. Dedicate time for reflection and planning without work interruptions. This helps recharge and return to work with renewed energy. Setting boundaries in our personal lives is also equally important. Now I will share a few tips to help you set boundaries in your relationships. I once again request you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe viewer, get regular updates on new videos. Clear communication. Be direct and transparent about your needs and expectations to avoid misunderstandings. Open and honest communication is essential for maintaining healthy and supportive work relationships. Consistency. Enforce your boundaries consistently to ensure they are respected. If we are inconsistent, it may lead others to disregard our limits. Respect others' boundaries. Mutual respect is the foundation of healthy relationships. Just as we expect our boundaries to be respected, we should honor others as well. By doing so, we create a supportive and respectful environment where both parties feel valued and understood. Say no. It is important to turn down requests that encroach on your boundaries. While this may be challenging, especially in close relationships, learning to say no assertively and respectfully is essential for safeguarding your well-being and maintaining your limits. Once you start setting boundaries, you will surely face some challenges. Let me explain these challenges to you, so that you are prepared to face them. Pushback. Your colleagues and family members might initially resist when you enforce boundaries. Stay firm and consistent to help them adjust. Feeling guilty. Setting boundaries is essential for our well-being. Prioritizing our needs is okay. You should not feel guilty about it. Cultural differences. Be aware of and be sensitive to cultural differences. While communicating your boundaries, choosing the right words and tone is important to avoid any misunderstandings. Adjusting boundaries. As circumstances change, reassess and redefine boundaries. Stay consistent, but be flexible to change if needed. In the end, to recap, please remember that boundaries protect our time, energy, and well-being, allowing us to thrive in all areas of our lives. Setting and maintaining boundaries in relationships is essential for a balanced and fulfilling life. Remember, setting boundaries is not a sign of selfishness but an act of self-respect and a key to living a productive and successful life. Thank you for watching the full video. Did you find it insightful? If so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I regularly post videos of self-improvement, ideas, legends and everyday innovations that change the world.